So here we have the Vauxhall Zafira 1.4 turbo exclusive 7-seater on a 15 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll show you a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the back of the car that we've got reversing sensors and loads of boot space. This is with the 2 rear seats folded down. Let me show what it's like when they are folded up. So there we are, and that's with the 2 rear seats folded up, so all 7 seats in position, and the amount of boot space you'll get when you've got those seats folded up. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run from the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so I'm going to start with the dials. On the left hand side is the rev counter and the right hand side the speedometer. At the top you'll see the fuel gauge and oil temperature gauges, and beneath that a trip computer with the total miles on this car at just 4,715. You can change information that's displayed up on there using controls on the left hand indicator stalk. As we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got the cruise control, and on the right hand side we have stereo control, so we can adjust the volume and skip CD tracks, those sorts of things. The main stereo unit is over in the centre here, so you'll see that this car's got DAB digital radio as well as FM and AM. We have a CD player as well, and the ability to connect music up via the auxiliary device. Nothing is obviously connected at this moment in time. Beneath that is the main stereo unit, so we've got the volume for the stereo. We can select various options up on the main screen, so for things like radio stations, etc. We can do that by scrolling this one. That's where we can change to FM or AM. The CD player and auxiliary are both controlled from there, and you can see the CD player at the bottom of that unit. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning. So on the left hand side is where we control the temperature, and on the right hand side the fan speed. Then simply hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or back off again. And then we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. This turns off the parking sensors, and that one is to turn off traction control should you wish to. Lastly, just beneath the air conditioning unit there is where you've got a 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary input and the USB input to help you listen to music whilst charging a device. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.